everyone. In this video I would like to show you this Swiss Army knife, but I don't know the name of it yet, so I'm adding the names a little bit later on the video description. Okay, let's start off with the main blade. Besides, this isn't really my knife, I just found it a couple months ago, and now let's pretend it's my knife right now. So we start off with the blade, pretty long, maybe like 3 inches or so. And what I like the most about this one is, listen really close, it snaps in place, which is held by this one here. Then you can close it like this, or you can open it. Let me show you very close. Now you see the mechanism. Click. Alright, and then we have, like every other Swiss tool also has 6mm flat screwdriver, bottle opener. Below we have this little gap here for wire stripping. On the other side we have can opener, 3mm flat screwdriver. Here we have the ring to put a chain on and then carrying it on your belt to make sure that it doesn't drop to the ground. Here we have excuse me, my voice is cracking all the time. So tweezers. On the other side, normally a toothpick, but it's missing. But anyways, I don't care. Here we have a corkscrew to open up some wine bottles or whatever. And then we have something completely useless, at least for me. It's a reamer. I don't even know what to do with it. So see if I can close up. Yeah, pretty nice. It's also sharp. It is still sharp. And yeah, I think that's it. Sorry for my lack of English, but like I always say, it has to start from somewhere. Yeah, okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. Bye bye.